Good evening, everybody. Bobby at Two Pops of Breaks. It is Wednesday, July 13th, and we are breaking Bombbox Jerseys Plus. It's a one box break, but there's 3 items inside: 1 jersey, 1 miscellaneous item, and a bonus ticket. We did random team sales for this. On your right, we've already randomized teams, customers, alphabetized everybody. Did give them a couple minutes to trade. No one's offering any trades here right now. Here we go. Again, before we did any randoming of customers or teams, we randomed up our 30 remaining box numbers. 18 is what we got. You're going to hear the pop of your seal. Well, guys, it's gonna be the con spot, and these have taken a little bit of a bump up, guys, with him passing this week there. So going to be the con spot with the James Conn Brian Piccolo jersey. Bam! Also going to be Minnesota, guys, with the Adrian Peterson jersey on that one. Pitt and Vancouver get our free spot. So Pitt and Vancouver, well, looks like Hank's going to get the freebie. All right, y'all, bam. Adrian Peterson, guys, very nice. Signed in the sweet spot on the 2 there. Beckett Witness hologram on that one. Still use their bag. Jesus. All right, then we got our James Conn Brian Piccolo jersey there, folks. Name here is there. Bam. Beckett Witness hologram. Sorry, guys, I should have shut that off. My fault. Bam. Nice sig from James Conn. And since his passing, guys, these have taken a little bit of a bump up for you. Beckett Witness hologram on that. All right, so who hit the con? Well, Cherubim right at the top of our list with the James Conn. And who is Minnesota? Well, Joey's gonna take the AP there. Well, I'm very sorry, everybody else. All right, so AP goes to Olin. Conn goes to Jira. So that is going to wrap up that one, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bob at Two Pops Breaks. Y'all stop on by and join us.